Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to withdraw from Ember Fund. Launch the Ember Fund app on your smartphone or tablet. Enter your credentials to access your Ember Fund account. Look for a section or option within the app that is specifically related to withdrawals or transferring funds out of your Ember Fund account. Select your preferred withdrawal method. This could be a bank transfer, a cryptocurrency wallet address, or another supported withdrawal option. Depending on the withdrawal method you chose, you may need to provide details, such as your bank account information or cryptocurrency wallet address. Ensure that you enter the correct information to avoid any delays or errors. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw from your Ember Fund account. Make sure it does not exceed your available balance or any withdrawal limits set by Ember Fund. Double-check the withdrawal details, including the amount and destination, to ensure accuracy. Confirm that everything is correct before proceeding. Once you are satisfied with the withdrawal details, initiate the withdrawal process within the Ember Fund app. Follow any on-screen prompts or instructions provided by the app. After initiating the withdrawal, allow some time for Ember Fund to process your request, such as withdrawal method and transaction volume. Monitor the status of your withdrawal within the Ember Fund app. You may receive notifications or updates regarding the progress of your withdrawal. Once the withdrawal is processed and completed by Ember Fund, verify that the funds have been successfully transferred to your specified withdrawal destination, such as your bank account or cryptocurrency wallet. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.